Standing at the heart of Berlin, the Brandenburg Gate is more than just a popular photo spot. It's a gateway to history. Built between 1788 and 1791, this iconic monument has witnessed wars, division, and finally, reunification. Sure, it's stunning to look at, but its story runs so much deeper. This gate symbolizes peace and unity, with a past that shaped not just Berlin, but the world. Standing at 85 feet, 26 meters tall, the Brandenburg Gate is an impressive sight. Topped with the famous quadriga, a chariot pulled by 4 horses, it was designed to represent victory. The gate's majestic columns and design were inspired by ancient Greek architecture, making it a standout landmark. But the true story of the gate goes beyond its architecture. Over the years, this monument has seen everything from triumph to turmoil. During the Napoleonic Wars, the gate was taken as a symbol of conquest. In the 20th century, it stood as a symbol of division during the Cold War, as the Berlin Wall isolated it, cutting off the East from the West. One of the most powerful moments in the gate's history came in 1989. As the Berlin Wall fell, crowds gathered here, celebrating their freedom and the reunification of the city. In that moment, the Brandenburg Gate transformed into a global symbol of hope and unity. Just imagine the emotions as thousands of people celebrated beneath its arches, embracing a new chapter for their city and country. The Brandenburg Gate isn't just a monument. It's a witness to centuries of history, standing tall through the ups and downs of Berlin's past. Next time you see it, remember that it represents much more than just a beautiful backdrop. It's a symbol of resilience, peace, and unity.